Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope each and every one of you is having a fantastic day, evening, morning, wherever you are. And today is going to be a real quick video. We're not going to do a whole lot. I just want to show you some new stuff that I got for cleaning my car, specifically the interior of the car. So I went to go clean it yesterday, and I was actually going to kind of do a little brief tutorial on how I keep the inside of my car clean, because my car pretty much, I mean, the interior is really good condition, pretty close to as good as it looked the day it was new, I think. So I just thought I would kind of show you guys how I do it, and not exactly sure how I didn't know this, but I was out of leather conditioner, so I didn't make the video. I just kind of vacuumed it up real quick, and that was pretty much it. And went on Amazon to go ahead and order some new ones, and when I saw this leather kit from Chemical Guys was on a really nice sale, so it said it's normally like about $100, and from adding up all the individual components, that sounds like about the right price. But it was on sale for only, I think I paid like $55 for it. I'll link the kit. It might not be on sale by the time you get to this. I really like what's in it, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So, came in a really big box. Now, did they need to put it in this big box? No, it's Amazon. You know how they do. Half the package. So as you can see, the actual box that it came in, only about the size of a small laptop case, and coming in that huge box. But I must say that they did package it very well. There wasn't going to be much damage happening in this.
That chick up on, she ain't coming home. Now she on the phone, do this money dance, hit her like a...
They really did not design this to be easy to open, but here we go. So we have lots and lots of spray bottles right there. So let's go ahead and go through each one of these, what we've got. So generally when I clean my car, what I have been using is Chemical Guys leather cleaner. It's the clear kind. No residue, no chemical smell, and I would go ahead and say that their claims on that are pretty good. I definitely think this is a good quality leather cleaner. It doesn't damage the seats, leaves them very, very nice. And coupled with their leather conditioner, so this is what I was out of, and what I originally got online to order this and only this, which was about $14, I think. And so those are my two, and this kind of leaves like a leathery, like a leather smell. It smells like a Western shop, kind of, when you're done with your car. And it's very nice smell, so don't take that the wrong way. I really like it. Definitely would recommend it. In fact, that's what I'm doing right now. I am not sponsored by Chemical Guys. I'm just a fan of their leather cleaners. I'm not sponsored by anybody, so anything that I'm bringing to you guys is something that I genuinely feel is a good product. I don't exclusively use Chemical Guys. I use Adam's Interior Detailer, so it's definitely not I'm like on their bandwagon or anything. Just think that they make a good leather cleaner and conditioner, and that's what prompted me to buy their entire kit. Also, we get 2 applicator sponges. I have plenty of applicator pads, but it can't ever have too many, so that's great. And we have a 16 by 16 inch microfiber towel, so can't ever have too many of those once again. We have this leather protectant serum. Now, I've never used this before, so I'm gonna quickly look at the directions. I think so. You put this on basically after you cleaned and conditioned, and this is sort of like a protectant to do whatever. Like I said, I haven't used it. I'm definitely looking forward to it. So this will be going on my seats in my BMW. The next time I clean it, I'll be trying this one out. We also have this sprayable conditioner and cleaner, so it's 2 in 1. So this is for like the quick clean, like if you just need to clean up the interior real quick, for maybe you've got to pick someone up on short notice and you don't want to pick them up in a dirty car, or you just don't have the time to get a real clean in, but it's starting to look a little bad. So this is what that's for. Nice little convenient, easy to do. And last but not least, we have leather scent. So it just says lightly mist over desired areas, under seats, or in inconspicuous areas, and enjoy the premium leather scent. So this is just a smell thing only. This is just to make your car smell like leather. But, you know, once again, it's a nice thing. So if we tallied up the cost of all of these separately, we would be well over the $60 that I paid for this, probably close to the $100 that Amazon said this usually retails for. I didn't actually go to the trouble to look up each of these individually, but I do know that just for the leather cleaner and conditioner together is about $22, $23 with them, and the serum by itself is about another $22 or $23. So we're talking about $40 just for those, plus some towels, applicator pads, and some other stuff. So I'm really excited to check this stuff out. And, you know, I'm going to go ahead and test one of these out so that we're not having just a video of me opening stuff and know nothing else going on. We can go ahead and try out the leather scent, because all this requires is for me to spray it a little bit. So we're going to go head over to the car and see how this stuff smells, and I'll give you my first thoughts and opinions on it. Okay guys, so here we are in the car and we're going to try out the Chemical Guys leather scent spray. So like it said, just lightly mist over desired areas. So let's just kind of lightly mist the floor area. Okay, first impressions. I know you guys can't smell what I'm smelling through the camera, but it smells a lot like that leather conditioner. It pretty much smells exactly the same. So, you know, this is just kind of something you would want to spray if you haven't cleaned the car in a while and the smell is just kind of gone away, but the car is really not that dirty and you don't, you know, feel like cleaning it. So it's a nice little touch, but at the end of the day, it's essentially an air freshener that smells like fresh leather. So it's nice. Would I buy it on its own if it hadn't come in this kit? No, I wouldn't have. But it is a nice addition to the kit. If you want to check out this Chemical Guys products, I will leave a link in the description for the exact kit that I bought, and I will also leave a separate link for just the conditioner and cleaner. Like I said, those are very good products. Those are the what I've been using since I've had this car. I've been only using Chemical Guys cleaner on my seats, and I've been extremely happy with it. Before, when I had my GTO, I just used whatever from like AutoZone, and this stuff is so much better, smells so much better, and the price really isn't that much more. So I highly recommend this stuff. I will be letting you know about the cleaner and conditioner spray next, and I will do a full review on how I clean my car. And like I said before, guys, I'm not like exclusively Chemical Guys. I use some Adams products on my car, but I really do like the Chemical Guys. Let me know what kind of cleaners you use in your car. What do you think is the best for each purpose? What is your leather cleaner? Go ahead and leave the video a thumbs up because it really helps the channel out a lot. And subscribe if you're new, and turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video, and you'll be able to see the full review of every item that came in this kit. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.